Hello everyone from LogiMAT. Today with me, the Chief Strategy Officer from Boston Dynamics, Martin. Great meeting you.
Good to see you. How are you today?
I'm going fine. We are going to ask a couple of questions and we're going to do the Mark Thierman takeover and he's going to explain us what we can see on the booth. So let's get started.
Yeah, we're so excited to be here. This is the first time that we're actually at LogiMAT with the booth, so it's super exciting. We have our Spot robot here, which is our industrial inspection robot. There's some applicability for logistics because you could do conveyance inspection, which is what we're showcasing here. And then of course we have Stretch with us, which is our purpose-built logistics robot to autonomously unload a container. We have a fleet management system called Orbit, and Orbit manages all our robots. It manages Spot, it manages Stretch, and in the future it will manage Atlas, our humanoid robot. Orbit is really a system where you can see the health of your robotic fleet, you can see the location of all your robots, you can see what they're currently doing, and of course you can see any anomalies that the robot have detected in your facility. We're launching a next generation of Orbit, which we have connected to a large language model that should create some excitement. Atlas is going into some early POCs with customers. That should be exciting. We continue to do our rollout with the Stretch robot. We're going into the UK, so we're now in US, in Germany, and in the United Kingdom. And of course, Spot continued its global rollout, and we're excited about everything that he's going to do in the coming quarters.
Much success, guys, with the robots, and thank you once again for the interview.
It's good to see you.
So today we can see Brightpick and their new stuff, which is the Giraffe with the giraffe on top of it. It's getting really cool. And obviously their auto picker and a bunch of racks. So that's actually how the whole magic happens. As you can see, all the robots are actually picking from the aisles directly the totes in. So that's really cool mechanism. Let's just see. Nice. So hello everyone from LogiMAT from Stuttgart again. Today with me Jan Žižka, founder and CEO of Brightpick and ex-founder and CEO of Fotoneo. We can call it like this, right? So actually behind us, this is not Burj Khalifa and not Eiffel Tower. This is your new product and I would like you to guide us a little bit. So I'm giving the mic to Jan and I'm just changing the sides.
So this is Giraffe, our newest product. As you see, very tall device going to almost 6 meters, kind of filling that the gap we had now, with our great flexibility, robotic picking, we also achieve very high density and looking forward to meet you.
So Jan already explained to us what the Giraffe is and right now we're just gonna go, can you go inside of the booth and see a little bit? So Jan is also gonna explain us a little bit the auto picker. I know that it's already a common product on the market, but some people don't know it. So again, handing out the mic to the OG robotics guy and we can start.
What you see here and here is our auto picker, the first and only autonomous mobile picker, picking directly in the aisle, so not traveling back and forth like a common G2P ASRS systems, pulling the tote from very simple racking, scanning with 3D scanner, using AI, identifying all the items, with very simple robotic arm, picking the item from storage tote to the order tote, and like a human would, really collecting all the items, all the lines, and creating the full consolidated order.
One more question to Jan. What is the story behind naming the robot? I saw many of them, so if you can tell us, is it your idea, is the client's idea, how does it work?
Yeah, good question. So I think, mainly our guys in manufacturing, they have to do pretty good job, selecting the names, but yes, in many cases we ask customers to provide, their favorite names, like, we had cycling shop, so it's a cyclist, and, now we have, potentially someone in, like a racing, and so on. So we are looking forward for great names.
Jan, thank you so much. When it comes to names, it's also great to, make robots more accessible to people. They can call it by names. And yeah, thank you so much. Much success. So, hi everyone, welcome from LogiMAT from Stuttgart. Today with me, Jeffrey, the product manager from AWL, and he's gonna actually explain us a little bit about the Rosie system, how they are revolutionizing the warehouse picking, bin picking, and how they actually give the eyes to robots and the intelligence. So I'm gonna do the microphone takeover, and he's gonna explain it to us very shortly.
So what we are showcasing on the LogiMAT and on the ProMat next week is our Rosie robotic singulator, which is doing now the parcel induction, but it can also be used for item picking. And next to that, the star of the show this year is our ABB robot with an AI stacking algorithm, which is making these nice stacks on the flipping table. So we create random bulk with our flipping table, then singulate with our Rosie on the placement conveyor. We do an inspection step to see if we have a multi-pick or we have the right box in place. And then the robot, the ABB, is taking over with the Virotech software and builds a nice and neat stack on top of this flipping table. And
so the Virotech software is like playing Tetris in real life with the packages,
exactly.
right? Kind of.
Yeah. Yeah,
I also see that you're robot agnostic, right? So you can work with ABB, with Fanuc, probably also with other
exactly.
brands.
We can work with
All
every
right.
brand that's available in the market.
Thank you so much for the explanation, and yeah, much
You're
success
welcome.
on the trade show. I was just wondering, because I saw those robots and I was like, yeah, probably they're just naked because, you know, just for the purpose of showing what's inside.
The previous versions, like I say, it used to be metal frame. We had metal cladding all around it. But all that metal cladding, it added a lot of weight. We don't really need it.
Yeah. It's 3D printed?
Yes, Hewlett-Packard printers.
Oh, they are super lightweight, right?
Yeah.
Because of the material. It's crazy.
Yeah, because then we can build grids a lot lighter, a lot less stress.
I could watch it like the whole day. I'm not,
Yeah, me too.
I'm not surprised you're standing there like this and watching it. I would do the same.
Well, I'm the robotic armor hardware engineer, so.
Oh, got it. So hi everyone from LogiMAT from Stuttgart. Today we are at the Locus booth and we would love to do a short tour. So I'm gonna give out the microphone and we're gonna get a personalized guide of the booth. So let's get started.
All right, thanks everyone. I'm Gina, I'm with Locus Robotics, heading up corporate development. We focus on providing unmatched flexible automation. Let's take a tour through our booth. So as you can see, we're focusing on showcasing some of our different form factors. At Locus, we're all about different kinds of robots that provide, that can automate a variety of workflows from picking to put away to all sorts of other tasks. This year, you're seeing our Origin bots in action. They're primarily used in fulfillment centers to automate item picking. You see here in the background, this is our Vector robot, capable of transporting up to 600 pounds and used for picking as well as for put away.
Just for all the robotic sticks, yes, those are Omni wheels. Just to add it up.
Vector is that it uses Mecanum wheels, which allows omnidirectional maneuverability. So that's super important in tight spaces, narrow aisles. Our robot is able to move in any direction to be able to get to where it needs to go.
Absolutely, and actually the coolest part at the Locus Robotics booth, we are crowded by robots.
Exactly. So there's 67,000 people at LogiMAT this week. We invite anyone to come to the Locus booth and interact with our robots. They're very safe thanks to our AI-powered software that takes care of everything safety and navigation.
That was so cool, thank you so much.
All right,
Success.
thanks.
Thank you. So guys, no, it's not a Colosseum, it's not like the premiere of a new movie, and the cinema is actually the Felix booth, and I have a special guest, it's the Helmut Schmidt here, and he will actually tell you a little bit more behind the product, behind the vision, and behind the new verticals and the markets in logistics that the robot can help us. So, I'm backing up and giving up the microphone to you, Helmut.
Lucas, pleasure. Guys, what you are seeing here by today at the Felix booth is our double runner system. So you will see two standalone skids with the unique opportunity to underdrive pallets. So with every existing solution on the market, you normally have a counterbalance, you stop at the pallet and you cannot underdrive. So we're showcasing here two different load carriers, a Euro pallet and a plastic pallet as well. And what we're doing now is we underdrive the pallet from the front to the end. We move vertical and horizontal, and the solution itself can also rotate 360 degrees on the angle. So just show by, robots are coming. We have a 360 degree around the robot safety. So wherever the person is, he will see and detect the obstacles, a person, you do not have any collisions. So now the robot just passed the first pallet, he relocates, sees the second pallet, and now he comes. Now he lifts, and by lifting the pallet, he gives the sensors free, and now he sees 360 degrees on the ground, and now he moves back from horizontal to vertical. And this is the revolution for the future, showcasing here at Felix. Come at our booth, you're more than welcome.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Helmut. One more thing, because I know the technical geeks will ask and they will not forgive us if you don't. How the robots are synchronizing with the skis? So what is the method that you always keep them aligned? Like how they get a wireless connection, or like, you know, it can be like a really top eye view perspective, but how do you keep them so synchronized? I also heard some customers asking about it.
Main topic, so we have two systems running, Wi-Fi on the one hand side and Bluetooth on the other side. So pairing is going to happen under the pallet, and then we have real-time communication ongoing.
Okay, perfect. So the nerds will be satisfied. Thank you so much, and more success. Thank you.
Thank you.